episode 16 of Golf Cart Confessions, and look who I have on the show today.
Hello.
The pie queen of Bowling Green. And let me tell you, can I just tell him, I met the pie queen of Bowling Green last week, and I was like, you're the pie queen of Bowling Green. Can we get a picture?
Right. I don't think you actually knew there was a person. There was a pie queen.
Yeah.
You just thought it was.
And that is you.
That's me.
I'm
yeah.
so excited. I'm really excited to have you on Golf Cart Confessions this morning.
I'm excited to be here.
So tell me, the pie queen of Bowling Green, what would you like to confess to today
Oh my goodness.
on Golf Cart Confessions?
What am I going to confess to? Sometimes I lick the spoon.
Wait a minute. Hold up, y'all. The pie queen of Bowling Green, and I talk a little loud,
It's okay. It's okay.
licks the spoon.
I mean, when I'm done, before I put it in the sink, but you know, you gotta try it, right?
Heck yeah, you do gotta try it. I remember when I was a kid, I used to lick the
Yes.
spoon all the time.
Yes.
Actually, you know, it had those little things.
The beaters.
Exactly, the beaters.
Good moms turn it off before you let them lick it.
Yeah, you're right. Oh my God, and I love chocolate.
Oh yes, definitely.
I love peanut butter too.
Peanut butter and chocolate. Are
Nothing
definitely
better
my favorite.
pie. That's that new pie, isn't it?
It is the new pie.
Heck yeah. So tell us, the pie queen of Bowling Green, what is it that you do?
Well, I make a lot of pie.
Oh my goodness, wait a minute. It's in the name, the pie queen of Bowling Green.
But me and my husband Brad, we own the Boys General Store.
Shout out to Brad. Boyce
Yes.
General Store is where?
Out in Alberton, Kentucky.
Everybody knows where the Boyce General Store is.
You would be surprised. A lot of people don't make it out there, but we're excited for more people to find it.
Heck yeah.
Yeah. So we own the Boys General Store, and then the Pie Queen is located inside of it. That brand.
You're inside the store.
Yes.
Inside the brand of the Boyce General Store.
Correct. Yeah. I have my little pie hole there.
All right.
Yeah. And then I also make pies that go like to the cake shop in Bowling Green. I have Demeter's Common in Lebanon, Tennessee, and then the Whole Foods in Louisville and Lexington.
Really?
Yeah.
Man, you're like Kentucky and world famous. Yes.
We're working just this region for right now, but we're working on more. I also ship across the U.S.
You ship pies?
I ship pies.
Wow.
You can order them on our website.
What is your website?
It's burgerandpies.com.
Burgerandpies.com. Be sure
Yeah.
to go there. And you have Facebook too.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Oh yeah, you got Facebook.
Yes.
What's your Facebook
So
page?
the Pie Queen of BG.
Yes.
And then Boys General Store LLC.
And Instagram?
Same thing. The Pie Queen _BG and then Boys General Store.
I tell you what, I've seen the Pie Queen for so long, and you know, I've never thought about really going in to the Boys General Store, but now, heck, after meeting you, I think I went to the Boys General Store like 2 or 3 days later.
Yeah, definitely. And then it's kind of one of those things, it seems far away the first time you go, but once you make it out there one time, you realize, oh, well, this was easy, and it just makes every trip even better. You know, it's not as far every time.
The short drive to the Boys General
Yeah.
Store. Be sure to go out there, have
Yeah.
some pie, have some breakfast. I had is it the big breakfast?
big breakfast,
I had
yeah.
the big breakfast, and then I'm a big guy, and it was good.
Yeah, so we serve breakfast Tuesday through Saturday,
Okay.
7 a.m. to 11, and then we serve lunch Tuesday through Saturday, 11 to 2:30. And then on Friday nights is when we stay open late for our fish fry.
Whoa, they have a fish fry?
Every Friday, we stay till 7:30, so there's lots of pie, fish. We serve our regular menu as well, so burgers are what we're known for. So we'll have those on Friday nights as well. Right now, we do a series called the Burger of the Month. So the Burger of the Month of July is the Green Acres Burger.
The Green Acres Burger, I'm getting
It's
one.
a Boyce burger topped with our house-made pimento cheese, bacon, and a fried green tomato on top of it.
Guys, you gotta have that fried green tomato, don't you?
Yeah, it's so good. And then we do a Pickin' on the Patio series, which is concerts.
Concerts.
Yeah.
Music.
Music, live outside, free concerts. We have food trucks set up. We have face painting for the kids, activities, all kinds of awesome stuff. And so our next one is August 17th. I don't I'm going to say quote me on that. Yes, it's going to be the 150th anniversary of the store. So we're celebrating that that night for
Did you
that.
say 150 years?
150 years.
You're not
yes.
150 years old.
I don't look a day over, like, what, 72 maybe.
Oh, my goodness. I love it.
Yeah, so, but yeah, 1869 is when the store started, and it's just been a staple of the community since then, and we're just really glad to be a part of it.
Be sure to go like Boyce General Store
Yes.
and the Pie Queen
Most
of
definitely.
BG on Facebook, on Instagram. Follow them, give them a like, share, and go get some pie.
Sounds great.
Yeah. I appreciate you joining me.
Thanks for having
early
me.
this morning.
I love it.
Wait a
Great.
minute. You said Tuesdays is what?
When we get our food
You
shipment.
said like tweet or...
Oh. So we don't have Mondays at the store. We're closed on Sundays and Mondays. And so we say everything goes wrong on Tuesdays because it's our Monday. And so we say, Tuesday, you ain't cute.
Tuesday, you ain't cute. But let me tell you, I'm sitting next to the Pie Queen of Bowling Green, and go get one of those pies. Go get one of those big breakfasts.
Yes,
Go hang out for Picking on the Patio
most definitely.
this August 17th coming up. Thanks for joining me this
Thanks
morning.
for having me.
I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it.
I know.
I know I want you, or is that the way it goes? I don't even know. See, I like to sing sometimes. I can't even sing, but you
It's
know,
all right.
we're having fun.
I tell people all the time, if you're not ready for me to burst into a song about what you just said, then I don't know.
Oh my goodness! Be sure head on out to Boyce General Store.
Yes.
And pick up some pies from the Pie Queen of Bowling Green while you're there. Oh my goodness! That was season 5, episode 16 of Golf Cart Confessions. Who will we interview next? It could be you.